Hi my friends, welcome back. Today I'm making this quick video for those friends who were asking us for subtitle or audio in other languages on our videos. So as you may know, English subtitle is already available for majority of our videos. But today I'm going to show you how to change the subtitle or audio on our videos. Let's select one of the latest videos on the channel. I'm going to go for this. I selected this video because audio translation is going to take a while for the YouTube to process it. So this video is uploaded like 3 weeks ago and audio translation is already available. This is the new feature that YouTube has provided. So most of our latest videos, they have this feature, so you can change the subtitle or audio to your own language. And any video from now on is going to have this feature as well. And they are all auto-generated. Let's have a look at this one right now. For example, if I click on the subtitle, so you see that English subtitle is already available on that video, like many other videos that we have on the channel. But if you want to change the subtitle to your own language, just click here on the setting. You see the subtitle, click on auto translate. And right now you can select any language that you want. For example, if I go for French, language already changed to the French subtitle. As you see, we are getting French subtitle. And if I click on another language, this time let's select Korean. And as you see, subtitle already changed to Korean language. These subtitles are auto-generated, so basically YouTube is gonna translate the transcript of the video to another language. We try to review all the transcripts because transcripts are detected by YouTube as well. We try to review all the transcripts that YouTube has detected. So if there is anything that YouTube detected incorrectly, we're going to correct it so you will get a proper translation in your own language. But if you want to change the audio of this video to any other language, just click on the setting again, audio track, and these are the available languages. As you see, the original audio track of the video is English. You can change it to French, Italian, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. These are the languages that YouTube has provided so far. So for example, if you click on Portuguese, you can hear the language like this.
E quando você conecta a ferramenta de varredura, lê alguns códigos como falha do motor ABS ou erro da válvula ABS.
And let's see what's going to happen if I change the language to the French. Let's see what we can hear.
Donc, sur ce module ABS, vous devez vous rappeler qu'il s'agit du moteur ABS. C'est le corps de la vanne.
I hope this helps those friends who wanted to watch our videos but in their own language, on subtitle or using audio track. Of course, YouTube is going to provide this on any videos that we upload from now on. Thank you again for your support and for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet to get the notification when we upload new videos.